What in the world is going on in here?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Yeah. On today's video, we're going to be testing for boost leaks on Maggie right there. So stand by, and then we'll get right into it. Anyways, bought this boost leak tester from Power Driven Diesel. Paid about 60 bucks for this thing. So let's see if it's worth 60 bucks. Alright, we got some T-bolt clamps here. Very nice. These are about $8, $8 to $10 a piece. We got two of them. It's a reducer. Nice. We got a swivel connection here for your air hose. That's nice. And it's got some thread sealant here. That's nice as well. And the cap, cool. Alright, so pretty much this right here hooks onto your turbo. This goes here. And this goes here like so. And then you're gonna apply pressure in here. Probably about 30 psi, and then check for leaks. Alright, now this is really nice impregnated rubber. It's not that cheap stuff you get on eBay. So I mean, all in all, if you were to put this together by yourself, I'm gonna guesstimate, and this is aluminum too, it's not cheap plastic or PVC pipe. So all in all, I'm gonna say this is definitely worth $60. You probably, if you have to put this together yourself, probably spend about 40 bucks. So $20 for you to get it in one box all together, ready to go. I think it's definitely worth it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this together and test for leaks on Maggie. First, just gonna slide it in here. Pre-applied thread sealant. Alright, now all you need to do this is an air compressor that you're able to control the pressure with. Alright, so for this one right here, it's telling me how much pressure I got in the tank, and over here I can control the pressure. You want to do 30 psi or less to do this. So that right there is about 30. I'm probably gonna do 20 at first. Now if you don't have anything this big, that's fine. I mean, you can, if this is all you have right here, this is my old air compressor. It also has a pressure regulator on it, so you don't need a big air compressor to do it. If you have something tiny like this, you can also do it. All you need is a pressure regulator. Now to do these, obviously you have to remove your air filter, whatever you got, stock air box, aftermarket intake, take it off. That'll be a good time to clean your filter if you haven't for a while.
What in the world is going on in here? Now the previous owner told me that he had removed the silencer ring off the turbo. So I was like, okay, that's cool. Believe it or not, this is my first time looking in here since I bought it a few years back. But it looks like the silencer ring is already still in there. It looks like he made an attempt to take it off and obviously failed. What in the world is going on in here? Alright, I'm taking that off right now. Alright, so I can see why he was having trouble, but yeah. The freaking, he beat that snap ring so bad I can't even get anything behind it. So this is how to take it out. Pretty much use a seal remover to pry it out. Alright, back to what I was doing before I was rudely interrupted by the silencer ring. Let's go ahead and put this tester in here. Alright, it's nice and tight. Just grab this hose, run it all the way to the truck. I spray bottle ready with just water and dish soap. Anything that creates bubbles. Alright, even though you have a swivel connection, you still gotta find like the most direct approach to it. There's not enough angle to come straight to it like this. So pretty much went that way and under. Now I'm already hearing a few leaks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, this one. There's a leak right there. It's good to know. You can kind of feel it too. No, but there's my boost gauge connection. Let's check it out. No bubbles on that. Now you want to check your entire intercooler piping connection. Let's see if I have any leaks over here. Now you can really hear it. Let's go ahead and correct that real quick. I don't feel anything anymore. Let's go ahead and spray it again. Looks like that's fixed. Now I'm seeing a little bit right here. Let's see. Yeah, just a little bit right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit of a leak right there in that corner. Actually pretty tight, so it's probably gasket failure. I did reuse this gasket after all the stuff I've been doing. It's pretty tight. Looks like that little bit of a turn fixed it. That's good. Alright, looks like I'm done here. Just like that, we check for leaks, for boost leaks on this 5.9 Cummins. That easy and simple with the right tools. Now you just take that off and put everything back the way it was and you're good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these off because why not? Freaking dirty. Now, is this thing worth it? Absolutely. Ready to go, out of the box, everything you need right here. Now I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. I just realized I got over 50 subscribers, so I got one more to celebrate. I'm just gonna do a quick giveaway. Nothing too big, but it's a giveaway. Alright, so I'm just gonna give away a Femco drain valve right there, and I'm gonna include drain tube. So the first person to answer this question in the comments, who were the two founders of Cummins? Now I got one clue. One of them was a mechanic, the other one had all the money for the mechanic to start the company. That's all I got. You answer those questions. If you're the first one to answer those questions, you get this for free to your house. Alright, If you've never seen one of them, this is what it looks like. Pretty much remove your drain plug, install this, torque it at 30 foot-pounds, alright? And if you want to drain your oil, all you have to do is grab your bucket or whatever you're draining your oil into. Remove the cap off the new drain plug. I think I have this in another YouTube video, but I'm just doing this for the giveaway. Install the hose. And as you tighten it, it's gonna start draining. Oh, you can hear it. It's already coming out. And that's it. Now you just wait. No mess. Nothing. I freaking love this thing. So if you want one of these, all you gotta do is just be the first one to answer the question, and I'll send it to you. Alright, now stay tuned because I have a 4th-gen steering up there. It's been sitting up there for about 2 years. I also have an exhaust manifold somewhere in that area. So stay tuned for that. Alright, once again, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for your support. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Cheers. That seems like a lot of smoke. You guys think I should look into that? Oh, it's going away. Probably some oil in there. Oh well, we'll fix it when it breaks.